When we are working on power electronics boards, there is a DC rail. Some boards have high capacitance bank at 400 volt, 350 volt. There is a special caution. There is a special warning note: don't touch. Check discharge. That is precaution for these capacitors. When these capacitors are connected to line voltage, these are charged at rated DC voltage. When we disconnect board from the line voltage, these capacitors remain charged. In that case, if we will touch it, it will give severe electrical shock. We need to discharge it. In this board, here is also same note: check discharge, don't touch. Check discharge, don't touch. Let's make a simplest discharging kit for these capacitors. To make this capacitor discharger, we have many options. We can use 60 watt or 100 watt tungsten lamp. Just only connect two wires here, second wire here, or you can place in holder. It will not save. Then we can use any 20 ohms, 247 ohms, 3 watt resistors. Here are different resistors with 5 watt, 20 watt, 10 watt, 5 watt resistors, 10 watt resistors. We no need to purchase new one. We can find in different circuit cards. Here I have 87 ohms. This is a damaged test lead. This is 5 watt, 87 ohms. I will use this one, 23 ohms NTC. This 100 ohm, 150 ohms, 100 ohm resistor. Best way to use this 87 ohms. Let's connect it. I will use a box to make it secure. Our capacitor discharger is ready now. .391 volts. It is discharged. I will charge again. $391. I removed power plug. I used 87 ohms 5 watt resistor. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.